What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2019 Cadillac CT6 V-Sport. So, very cool. Is not a full-on V, but still has some additional aggression over a regular CT6, which also did get a refresh, and I'll show that in a minute. But anyway, this V-Sport version, 550 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque from that 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which should be a real stunner. Back end looks awesome here on this new CT6 refresh as well. I love those new taillights that have kind of a 7 in them in a way there, and just small changes, but I think they make it look a lot better than the outgoing CT6. Not that that was a bad design, but I just really think this is a nice improvement. Obviously a very long, large vehicle here, and just looks very good. I'm still a huge fan of the CT6. If you watched my review of the CT6 3.0 TT that I did about a year and a half ago, you'll know I'm really an admirer of the CT6. And the interior is still mostly the same as outgoing CT6's. Nice carbon fiber trim here on the V Sport, and there are some new bits here. You can see there's that new leather wrapped gear shifter. There's a new rotary selector knob there, which is new as well. Otherwise, you still have that very nice large, I think it's a 12-inch touchscreen display, which is really great to use. Bose Panorama system still. You still have the capacitive touch buttons here on some of this stuff. You'll see in the Cadillac XT4 they got rid of the capacitive touch, but they're sticking with it here in the CT6, and I like that because I still actually really like those buttons. I know I'm in the minority. Most people hate them, but I do like them. Backseat space is same as any other CT6. That hasn't really changed, but it's a great place to be. Very luxurious and spacious. And then this is the standard refreshed regular CT6, the non-V-Sport version, which looks very, very similar. Still very good, just a little less aggressive. But yeah, so that is the refreshed CT6 and CT6 V-Sport. Let me know what you think about them in the comments below.